So you've just discovered Crypto.com and are about to make your first purchase. You whip out your credit card and then you discover that those greedy fucks take a chunky fee. You decide to go through with it anyways, but then your bank calls you and tells you they've cancelled your card because you're making weird purchases on it. Does this sound like you? Well, fear not, my friend. If you live in Europe, there is a payment method that beats all other. In this video, I will be showing you how to buy and sell cryptocurrency for real cash using SEPA payments. Let's get right into it. Assuming you've already downloaded the Crypto.com app and set up an account, the first step to start buying cryptocurrency using SEPA payments is to set up a Fiat wallet. When I was new to crypto, I had never used a Fiat wallet or made a SEPA payment in my life, so I'm thinking I'll explain this a bit step by step. In order to create your Fiat wallet, you first press the big blue button in the middle and then hit Fiat wallet. A Fiat wallet is basically like a proxy bank account where you will be storing real world currency that you can either use to buy crypto or withdraw to your regular bank. The next step is to set up a new currency, and here you will want to select Euro. SEPA payments are made in euros, so even if your country doesn't use the euro, you should still select Euro if you live in Europe. So for countries like Sweden, Denmark or Czech Republic that is in the EU but doesn't use euro as its native currency, it will still work just fine as long as your bank provides SEPA payments. Once you've accepted all the terms and set up your euro wallet, you will notice that you are able to buy and sell crypto using funds in your Fiat wallet. But in order to start doing this, you will first want to make a deposit. And this is where the SEPA payment comes into play. To add funds to your wallet, you will simply want to press transfer and then deposit. This will display all the information about the bank account connected to your Fiat wallet. Your normal bank will ask for these specific details when you make a SEPA payment, and you will simply have to fill them in exactly as they are displayed. The only details your bank should need are IBAN, BIC, and the first and last name of the account holder, which is you. It all comes down to which bank you are using, but SEPA payments will normally arrive on the same day you ordered it if you placed your payment request before 3 o'clock. Otherwise, it will transfer on the next business day. What's really neat is that the bank account you transfer the money from will automatically pair with your Crypto.com account, meaning that when you sell your crypto and want to withdraw the money, Crypto.com will already have stored your bank details and be able to send your money there without any hassle. So make sure that you are actually using your own usual bank account when making your first deposit, not somebody else's and not a bank account that you are planning on closing. To make a withdrawal, you simply press transfer, withdraw now, and then you should be able to see your connected bank account right at the bottom. Anyways guys, that's it for this quick tutorial. I really hope it helped. If you have any questions or corrections, you are always welcome to leave me a comment. See you guys in the next video. Until then, have a good one.